Hello and welcome to this demonstration for the Route Tracker app for the Android platform. Now this demonstration won't take very long. It's a very simple, rudimentary but useful application. The way you actually use this app, you simply tap the start tracking button and the application will actually track latitude and longitude points at certain distance intervals and the time that you're at those points, and obviously those points can be later viewed on a map. Now I'm going to show you some routes which I stored earlier on this application, so we'll select a route. As you can see they're time stamped there, so that would bring a route up. Now you can actually do three things from this view here. First of all views actually support full screen rotation in this application. So what you can actually do here, you can actually tap a point on the map and a little toast will pop up showing you at what time you're at that point. You can actually delete the currently viewed route. We'll select no for the time being, or you can give it a friendly name. So we'll give this a friendly name and we'll call this, say for example, 2 shops, like so. Click close, and as you can see, you've got 2 shops there. And again, full screen rotation is supported from here. So the way you would actually use the app is you simply tap the start tracking, and that will start tracking. And while you're walking around, you can actually have the app closed down, and that service will run in the background. It's completely stable and reliable. When you've actually finished your route, just bring the application back to the foreground. That's if you have closed it down. Tap stop tracking, and that's actually stored a new route. So we'll click show routes, and the one at the bottom there, that's the one we just created. So you can see from there that's created a new route. You can just about see the 2 points there. So that's because you haven't moved around. So we'll delete that route, and that's now deleted. I'm going to quickly explain the settings here. So at the moment, the application is actually configured to store a new latitude longitude point for every 100 meters. You can change that to 50, 200, 250, 500 or 1 kilometer. At the end, it's a nifty little setting here. You can configure the app so it only stores a latitude longitude point at the start of the journey and the end. So you click start, walk around, click stop, and that will only store 2 points. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Now for you advanced users, I'm going to explain how this application stores the data and where the data is stored in case you want to back up your data. So we'll open up the File Explorer. Just go to the root folder, select the Android folder, the data folder, and find the com.warwick Western Right folder, and this is where the files are actually stored here. And as you can see there's some timestamped folder names there. The timestamps are actually UTC format, and obviously the files inside these folders are also UTC format, which is GMT without the daylight saving time. That's regardless of what country you're in. And the application is designed so that it will actually show the time in the current locale of wherever you're using the device. So we'll go into one of these folders here. I'll show you what's in these files. As you can see there, that's the 2 shops tag, which we added earlier in the demonstration. And over here, it's got time and places, latitude, longitude on the right, time and place on the left, and again in UTC format. So that actually concludes this demonstration. Thank you very much for watching this demonstration. Hope you use and enjoy this application, the free application. Currently under development is some new features. I'm going to make it so that this application can track your device live on a map wherever you're walking around. That would be for free for one tracking device, and premium for tracking multiple devices. Those features are currently under development for the time being, and it's going to be open-ended so you can track whatever you want, whether it be just your phone, whether you want to track where your kids are walking around, taxi cabs, or generic asset tracking. So thank you for watching this demonstration, and have a nice day.